How we doing, all y'all? It's another poem of the week. This is another one by the great William Shakespeare. Blow, blow, thou winter winda. Blow, blow, thou winter wind. Thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thou tooth is not so keen because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hi-ho, sing, hi-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most love mere folly. Then hi-ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that does not bite so nigh as benefits forgot. Though thou water warps, thy sting is not so sharp as a friendship remembered not. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most love mere folly. Then hi-ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. There you go, folks. That is Thou Winter Wind, Blow, Blow, Thou Winter Wind by William Shakespeare. If there's a poem you'd like me to read, or if you'd like me to read your poem, just drop it in the comments or in any way you can get a hold of me. I love the imagery of good poetry. But folks, thank you for being here. God bless. Travel well.
Smooths itself out.
Get back, tell you what I'll do. If I ever get back, I promise to refabricate you. Raging rivers of gold. That's what the brochure advertised. And now we're lost, we gotta take it down. Let you down slow, it's hard to survive.
Nice.
El Dorado. Oh, Lord. Well, let's see how that one went.
Yeah.